Hey, can I ask you something weird?
It's 2 a.m., Annie. Everything's weird right now.
No, but seriously, do you ever feel like you're living someone else's life?
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know, I wake up every day and I just do stuff. But it doesn't feel like mine. Like I'm just going through the motions, you know?
Yeah, I actually do.
I don't even know what I actually want anymore. Like, I used to have this whole plan, right? College, career, figure it out. But now I'm literally in the middle of it and I'm just lost.
You always seemed like you had it together, though.
That's the performance, Jake. That's not me.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I'm really good at looking okay.
Dude, me too. Like, I think I've been doing that for years.
Why do we do that?
I don't know. Habit? Fear? Probably both. Can I tell you something I haven't told anyone?
Of course.
I almost quit school last semester.
What? Jake, you never said.
I know, I woke up one morning and I couldn't think of a single reason to go to class. Like nothing, complete blank.
What happened?
I just got up, went anyway. Fake it till you make it, right? Classic.
That's honestly terrifying. Not the almost quitting part, the getting up and going anyway part. Like, that takes so much energy and nobody even sees it.
Exactly. It's exhausting being invisible about it.
I get that. I really do.
Can I tell you something too?
Yeah, go ahead.
I think I broke up with Tyler because I was scared he was actually good for me.
Wait, what does that even mean?
Like, he was kind. Really kind. And I didn't know what to do with that. I kept waiting for the catch, and then one day I realized I was pushing him away because I was looking for reasons to not trust it.
Annie.
I self-sabotaged. I literally self-sabotaged a good thing because I couldn't handle good things.
Do you regret it?
I don't know. I think I regret who I was in it more than I regret losing him.
That's actually really mature.
Don't tell me that. I'm not ready to be mature.
Too late. You know what stresses me out the most about the future?
What?
Not knowing if I'll look back and feel like I wasted it. Like, what if I get to 40 and I'm just meh about everything? That scares me more than failing.
The mediocrity fear.
Yeah, exactly.
I have that too. But mine's more like, what if I spend my whole life chasing something and then realize I was chasing the wrong thing?
That's the same fear.
Is it?
Yeah. It's both about wasting time. Just different flavors of the same panic.
Wow. Yeah. I never connected those two before.
Jake, can I just say something corny?
Please don't.
Too bad, I'm saying it.
Okay, fine.
I'm really glad we're friends. Like, actually. Because I feel like I can say the real stuff with you. Not the Instagram stuff. The actual stuff.
Yeah, same. I don't have that with a lot of people.
Me neither. And I think that's kind of sad, but also kind of beautiful. Like, we found it.
You're getting philosophical at 2 a.m.
This is my prime hour, okay? Don't take it from me.
Respect. Can I ask you something? Do you think people actually change? Like fundamentally? Or do they just learn to manage the same stuff better?
Oh, that's a big one.
I've been thinking about it for a while.
I think people change in layers. Like the core might stay kind of the same, your tendencies, your fears, but the way you respond to them can completely change. So maybe it's not like transformation, more like evolution?
Evolution. Okay, I like that.
Why are you asking?
Because I'm trying to change something about myself. And I'm not sure if I'm actually changing or just pretending to.
What are you trying to change?
I stop letting people in subconsciously. Every time someone gets close, I find a way to create distance. I've been doing it my whole life.
Jake.
I'm trying not to do it, but I don't always know when I'm doing it until it's too late.
I think the fact that you're aware of it means something.
Maybe.
No, really. Some people go their whole lives never seeing the pattern. You're seeing it. That's not nothing.
I guess I just worry that seeing it isn't enough.
It's not, but it's the start.
You're really good at this, you know that?
At what?
Being here, in the conversation. Most people are just waiting to talk. You're actually listening.
I wasn't always like that.
What changed?
I lost someone who really needed someone to listen. And I was too caught up in my own stuff. So now I try. Every time.
Hey,
Yeah?
whatever you're going through with the whole feeling like someone else's life thing, I don't think it means something's wrong with you.
No.
I think it means you're paying attention. Most people just don't.
Jake,
What?
there's something else I wanted to ask you tonight. Something I've been sitting on for a while,
Okay,
but I'm not sure I'm ready to say it yet.
I'm not going anywhere.